right, let's see. Oh, snap. Oh, snap, dude. Holy crap, that looks cool. You can't even see it with the plastic. Let me take the plastic off. This is a crypto wallet. This is a freaking crypto wallet. I bought a crypto wallet like 2-3 years ago, dude. Oh, dude, it's much smaller than I thought. Comes with a quick start. Comes with everything you need for quick start. Should we read it? I mean, probably not. Do I ever read any of it? No. Oh, snap. All right, here we are. This is the Ledger Stax. I want to show this thing. This thing is awesome. Ledger Stax, the most trusted place for your digital assets. Tap. Oh, snap. That's crazy. Whoa. Oh, it just updated. Okay, wait. Install. Now it's installing the update. It's definitely not 1, 2, 3, 4. Nelly. All right, Solana, Ripple, Doge. Dude, I can add all the coins to it. I got all the coins I want. Stellar Luminous. Let's add a Litecoin. Bro, it only has a certain amount of data you can have on it. Get the fuck out of here. 486 kilobytes available. I'm using 662. What the fuck? I don't like that it is limited. Wait, what the heck, dude?